Alright family, hello and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you at our village in northern Ghana. How are you doing? How is everybody in the family doing? Please, in today's video I'm going to share with you about how children practice tradition. As you can see, my uncle is a blacksmith. This is his blacksmith shop here that he used to work. So these are his tools that he used to work, and this is one of my small boys, because in our tradition our uncle's children, that is our cousins, are our playmates. So he's learning how to do the blacksmith job at this age. Just look at him. You see how strong and powerful children can be here. So before he grows up, he's going to be a professional blacksmith by just watching what his father is doing and also practicing it when his father is not working. So that's how children learn here. Children learn through the culture of their traditions, and his brother is here assisting him in as to how to hold the ply that he's holding with it. Ba'amana. I'm asking him, what is he making? Oh, okay. He said he don't know what he's doing. He's just practicing. I think he's learning how to use the hammer and and how to use the ply to hold metal to work with it. So he's just doing his thing here, learning. Are you learning? Okay, so that is Abdel Fattah. That is Abdel Fattah. I intentionally asked him his name to mention it for you to hear. So that's Fattah. So Abdel Fattah is here, and look at his younger brother. Very soon he's also gonna try to learn this. Yeah. So it's all about this is something that is so important. It's all about learning the traditions and culture at home. That's what they are doing. I think very soon his brother will be coming here to set up fire to start to do some small work before they go to farm. So he's making arrangements for the fire to be set up. That's what he's doing right now. It is typical tradition that they are learning at home. So before he grew up, he will have a job to do for himself that can earn him some money. So that's my uncle's blacksmith shop, a very typical thatch house. That is his shop, and this is the roof from the inside, as you can see. Yeah, because he's been setting fire all the time to work. That's why you see the roof to be like black like that, because he's been setting fire here to work for a very long time. That's why you see it like that. So that's the shop, the roof to the shop, and that's inside the shop, as you see. So this is a very typical blacksmith home. So very soon the guys will bring the fire. Well, he's here. So you see, he's learning how to set up fire for work. He's going to put on some charcoal. He's not even wearing sandals. Wow. With all these metals and everything being here, that's one powerful thing about blacksmiths. Blacksmiths doesn't fear anything with regards to metals or fire. Yeah. In one of my videos, I shared a video of someone dancing on fire. That is my uncle that I'm talking about. That is his compound that I am from these weekends. That was from yesterday up to today. and I'll spend a couple of days here. So his brother is here, and they are going to start work. My uncle is coming in. Do you remember someone dancing on on fire in one of the videos? So uncle is here, and you know the children are with him. That's my friends. And do you remember someone who was dancing on fire in one of my videos? That is him. That is my uncle here. Oh. We are here at home practicing the tradition with uncle. Uncle is you know, this is how we do it.